Who is Elon Musk? Elon Reeve Musk is an international businessman and entrepreneur known for his leadership of Tesla, SpaceX, and the Department of Government Efficiency. Musk has been the wealthiest person in the world since 2021 as of May 2025. Forbes estimates his net worth to be $424.7 billion. Elon Musk was born on June 28, 1971 in Pretoria, South Africa. His Canadian-born mother was a dietitian, while his father was a mechanical and electrical engineer. The child had a natural affinity for technology, purchasing his first computer, a Commodore VIC-20, with money saved when he was just 10 years old. At the age of 12, he had developed his own video game, Blaster, which he sold for $500. As a preteen, he had already learned himself computer programming. And now, let's talk about Tesla Incorporated, founded in 2003 by Martin Eberhard and Mark Tarpenning. Gained Elon Musk as an early investor in 2004, who later became CEO and product architect in 2008. After internal conflicts and Eberhard's exit, Tesla launched its first car, the Roadster, in 2008, followed by successful models like the Model S, X, 3, Y, and the Cybertruck. The company also built several gigafactories for battery and vehicle production. Despite challenges, Tesla's stock soared after its 2010 IPO, making the world's most valuable car maker in 2020 and reaching a $1 trillion market cap by 2001. Elon Musk founded SpaceX in 2002 after failing to buy rockets from Russia, and the company achieved its first orbital launch in 2008. Later winning major NASA contracts, SpaceX went to the Pioneer reusable rockets, launches the Falcon Heavy and Starship project, send astronauts to the ISS in 2020, and was chosen in 2024 to deorbit the ISS. In 2022, Elon Musk purchased Twitter for about $44 billion after initially becoming its largest shareholder. Following the acquisition, he fired top executives, became CEO, introduced paid blue check subscriptions, reduced content moderation, and laid off large numbers of staff. His tenure saw rising hate speech, misinformation, and controversies over free speech and moderation, including the release of the Twitter files. Musk later stepped down as CEO in 2023, shifting to executive chairman and CTO, but the platform renamed X continues to face criticism over harmful content and alleged silencing of critics.